Sinbad the Sailor, sailing the ocean blue, with Salty the parrot at his side, they are a fearless crew. Sinbad the Sailor, ready for a fight, whatever is there, they'll be there, turning wrong to right. Sinbad the Sailor, a magic now has he pulls it tight with all his heart, and a mighty sailor he'll be, a mighty sailor is he.
I vote in the big race and give you the prize money.
You're all heart, Sinbad.
Now hear this. All entrants stand by for the big race to Hawaii. Ready, set, and away we go.
That Sinbad's gonna need lots of luck. If I can't beat Sinbad, I'll smoke him out of the race. They don't put this tub old Smoky for nothing.
Hey, what's that sneaky blubber up to?
I'll just drop Sinbad's anchor. That ought to turn this into a real drag race.
Salty, what's wrong? We're stopping.
No wonder, look, the anchor's dragging.
This looks like another one of Blubbo's tricks. Up anchor!
What is this Sinbad? Don't he ever give up? Well, there's one sure way to slow down a sailboat with a box of hungry moths. Okay, moths, happy hunting. Sick 'em, boys. Charge!
Sinbad, what's that?
It's a swarm of moths, and they're eating the sails.
Oh, looks like we're out of the race.
Not yet. Go below and get a few blankets off the bunks.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Yeah, I can't lose now. Sinbad won't even make it to land. Oh, no. Here comes a boatload of wet blankets. And I mean Sinbad and Salty.
If this wind holds, we'll pass Blubbo easy.
Sinbad's boat can't win without Sinbad, so we'll separate the boy from the boat.
Hey, what's going on?
Sinbad!
And just so you don't try to be a hero, I'll toss your magic belt overboard.
Sinbad's magic belt is gone. Salty to the rescue. It's a little wet, but good as new. Salty, just try this on for size, Sinbad.
Hurry, Salty.
Oh, no, you don't. I'll keel haul you.
Why don't you try it?
Oh, pipe down.
Pipe down. Hey, that's an idea. Try this for size. Speak up, I can't hear you. Sorry, Blubbo, can't understand a word you said. Had enough, Blubbo? Man overboard! Maybe I ought to throw him a rope.
Nice work, Sinbad.
Well, we ought to be in Honolulu in no time at all.
Yep, if our new outboard motor doesn't get too tired. Get at, Blubbo. Mush, mush.
I never realized how far it is to Honolulu.
Sinbad the Sailor, a magic belt has he,